In this video, I will show you how to create Notepad in Windows 11. So, click here Notepad and open it. Here you can write your text. There are some settings. You can increase or decrease the size. Also, you can add the link, and here you can clear formatting. You can in the view zoom, formatted or syntax, whatever you need. Also here you can see the status bar and file and save it. Here you can page setup like A4. You can set margin, landscape, footer and header and click on OK. Here you can see the preview. So this is the short way guys to create a notepad in Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching.